Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are investing in the stock market or planning to grow your wealth, you have probably come across ETFs and mutual funds. But which one is better choice for you? Today, we will break it down in simple terms, compare their features and help you make an informed decisions whether you are a beginner or a seasoned investor. By the end of this video, you will know exactly which one suits your financial goals. So here we are going to discuss about ETF versus mutual fund, which one is better. So let's start with the mutual fund first. ये mutual fund सही है, they generally say. Let's start with the mutual funds. A mutual fund basically is a professionally managed investment pool where multiple investors put their money together. A fund manager invests the money across stocks, bonds, or other assets based on the funds on just a moment, there's a small disturbance. Let this vehicle go. Okay, that's good. Okay, let's come back to our video. A fund manager, like I said, it invests this money across stocks, bonds, and other assets based on the fund's objective, like what they are targeting, the growth, what income they are looking for, or stability. Some key points about the mutual funds are that these are professionally, I think I have written the wrong spelling, I mean. So the key points are these are professionally managed funds, so you don't need to pick stock of yourself. You can invest in small amounts regularly on the regular basis, and at the NAV, the net asset value, they say. So this is calculated at the end of the trading day, meaning you buy or sell at that day's price. So mutual funds are great for investors who wants a hands-off approach and are okay with paying slightly higher fees for professional management. Now on the other side, ETF. Let me highlight these things. On the other hand, let's talk about ETFs, the exchange traded funds. So ETFs are also investment funds that hold a baskets of assets, but they trade like an individual stocks on an exchange. This means you can buy or sell them anytime during the market hours. During the market hours. So the key points here, like I said, they are traded like normal stocks, so you have flexibility, and generally they have lower fees compared to the mutual fund. They have lower fees compared to the mutual fund, and the most important, they have passive investing is common. Many ETFs track an index like Nifty 50 or S&P 500. So ETFs are perfect for investors who want flexibility, lower cost, and ability to react quickly to the market movements. So giving up the difference, like feature, I'll create a small table here. Features about mutual fund and ETF. So the first point would be trading. So here you get end of the day NAV, and here you can like trade intraday like normal stocks. The next point is management. So here you have active and passive, both option. An ETF, it is mostly passive. When we compare the fees, it is higher in mutual fund, and ETF it is lower. Minimum investment, it is oftenly low. An ETF usually price of one stock. one share. And the most important point, tax efficiency. So it is less tax efficient and this is more tax efficient ETF. So what's the real difference? So here's a quick breakdown about it. The first part is trading flexibility. ETFs let you trade throughout the day, whereas mutual funds settle at the end of the day. Second is management style. Mutual funds often have active managers, while most ETFs are passively tracking an index. Fees, ETFs usually have lower expense ratios than mutual funds. Talking about the minimum investment, mutual funds let you start with a very small SIP, while ETF require buying at least one share. And talking about the tax efficiency, ETFs are generally more tax efficient due to their structure. So, which one should you choose? It depends on your goal completely, to be very honest. If you ask my opinion, it's like beginners or a long-term investor, mutual funds are ideal because they are managed by the experts and easy to invest in regularly. Cost consciousness, cost conscious or the flexible investors, ETFs can save you money in fees and allow you to trade anytime. And for active traders, ETFs are better for intraday moves or tactical asset allocation. Remember, both are excellent investment vehicle. The key is understanding your risk tolerance, investment horizon, and financial goals before choosing one. So there you have it, a clear comparison of ETF versus mutual funds. Both have their advantages, but knowing your own investment style is the first step to build wealth. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, share with your trading friends, and subscribe to this channel for more stock investment or stock market related insights and financial guidance. And comment below which one do you prefer, ETF or mutual fund. Love you all. God bless us. See you in some other video. Bye bye.